Our business is getting losses day by day, so we have to think better in order to increase profit in the business.
Okay, what is in your mind?
We can think of discounts on items, or else we can decrease the item's price.
No, I think it is not a good business idea. I think we can shift our restaurant to a new area with better locality. That will attract more people. That will increase profit probably.
No, this is not a good idea because it will need more investment to set up new infrastructure.
No, I have more business knowledge. So, my idea will definitely work and in the future it will increase profit.
But we can also improve the infrastructure of this restaurant and then reduce item cost, which will increase profit in a short amount of time. Calm down, boys. Don't argue and fight with each other. I was sitting on that couch and was listening to both of your arguments, on which I have a solution for the business that I want to share with you guys in the form of a story.
Okay, please tell.
Once upon a time, five friends were passing through a forest. After walking for a while, they felt that they have lost their way. So, one among them said that perhaps they have to take the road on the left, that they can safely get out of the forest by taking that route. Saying so, he started walking on that route. The other one said that according to him, they should take the route on the right, that they can safely get out of the forest by taking that route. And he took that route. After these two left, the third one said that those two were fools, that they were already on the right path and that they would continue on the same route. Saying so, he went straight ahead on the same route which they were already on. Then the fourth one said that he does not want to take any risk. He said that he will return back on the same route by which they had came, because that the safest route. Saying so, the fourth fellow went back on the same path by which all five of them had came into the forest. Now the fifth one was left there. He saw all his four friends leaving, and after that, he did something by which he not only got the shortest route but the right one too. Can you guess what he must have done? Yes, I will guess. You both discuss and tell me the right answer.
Okay,
We are ready with our answer. Okay, tell.
he must have climbed the tallest tree in the jungle and looked in all directions.
And hence he must have found the shortest and right way to go out. Correct. What is the lesson we learn from this story? We can't understand. Please explain. This story teaches us that in a bad or difficult situation, we should have patience. When we raise above the problem and think, then we can understand the problem and the situation properly instead of insulting each other. If you both would respect each other's thoughts, if you had tried to understand each other's ideas, then you would understand that you both are fighting from the same side, and then maybe you would have found the solution to your problem. Let me tell you What happened to those five friends? The first person who had taken the road to the left, although had not reached his destination fast, although had not found the shortcut, had reached a new city by going towards the left. He got to know of a new city. The second person who had taken the road towards the right reached a thick forest by traveling. It was night and he had to spend the night alone in the forest. But even he did not lose anything. Even he gained a new experience, an experience of spending the night alone by himself and bravely in a jungle. He learned to live by himself. And the third person who had directly come to the forest while traveling ended up meeting some people who had got lost in the jungle like him and had lost their way. He gained the experience on how to live with strangers and work with them in harmony. The fourth person who had returned from the road that he had come from found a house on the way. The inmates of the house asked him to stay back, and from his host, he learned the lesson of mercy, compassion, love, and trust towards a guest. Even he gained a new experience. And as for the fifth person, he traveled on the right path and reached his destination on time. So, did you understand the moral of this story? No. This story teaches us that nothing wrong happens in our life. Whether whatever that happens to us is right or wrong does not matter. What matters is what we learn by taking the path, the road, the alternative that we choose in order to reach the goals in our life. What experience did we gain? Because every experience of our life teaches us something. It depends on us whether we use that experience for doing the right or the wrong things. So, if anything goes wrong in your life, if something makes you feel that things didn't go right, then do not get discouraged. Stay strong, be patient, because even this bad experience of life will make you wiser and more sensible than before. This bad experience will give you the courage to face the hardships in your future. Do not give up, have patience. Now I understood what I did with my friend.
Sorry, my friend.
For more videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.